Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Isa lang.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hi guys, welcome to Mami Lisa channel. Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Okay, what are you going to do?
We're gonna eat mukbang watermelon.
Okay. Ready, go.
Ano ito, paunahan?
Oo, paunahan.
Ayaw. Aray ko! Ang mumig! Ang mumig! Ang mumig! Ang mumig! Ang mumig! Very cold.
It's okay. Look at the look at the line. Ano, ASMR? Ay, lamok. Sige na, big boy. Go na, big boy. Look at them.
I'm just taking out the seeds first.
It's okay. It's not gonna hurt you. Okay.
Put your plate underneath it. There you go. Get juice all over.
Okay.
May premyo.
She asked if have price.
Mommy price. 20.
Okay, 20.
20 at the right? Yeah.
Yeah.
20 at the body? Yes. But, di ka to OP as 20, okay?
Okay. Lugi, ang
So
incheck.
juicy.
Ang mauna ay malaki ang premyo.
No, that's not fair. That's not fair.
Okay. All of you guys 20.
Yes, that's what I said.
Really?
Of course, all of us need to.
So it's not it's not challenge.
Kinain ko na yung
Oh, it's okay.
ko.
Okay lang yan. Hindi yan tutubo sa tiyan mo.
Ah, pwede kainin? Sure ka po.
Oo nga.
Uy, eh.
Sige, bilis.
Basta, bis. Bumig. Okay na sa akin, kahit 10 yung premyo ko. Liit ko naman. Ako 20. Ito 20. Mami, Ate Maddie 20. Then, Ate Mine 10.
Okay. It's not challenge.
At friend, just give us the money. I don't want.
Ask Dad.
That you don't give us money.
Can I give you money? No.
That you have us.
Let's see what I have.
Bilisan nyo na. Ay, okay lang yung seeds na yan talaga. Hindi na yan mag-grow sa tummy nyo.
So many seeds.
Ay, Adalang, bilisan mo para manalo ka. Ikaw yung pinakamaliit eh.
Kinain ko na yung hate ko.
Ano bang hate mo?
Watermelon.
Ay, hate mo ba yung watermelon? Oh, okay lang yan. Oh, di ba challenge?
Kaya nga challenge, dapat yung hate mo.
Oh, opo. Big boy, kumusta? Laki ng mukha mo dito, big boy. Laki na ni big boy ko. Eh, laki na ng GM namin. She's not baby anymore. No, you're still my baby.
So juice.
It's juicy.
Uy! Madami.
It's so
Alma.
cool. Oh, look at ate, oh. Ang galing ni ate Madi kumain, no? Dalain, bilis. Oh, tingnan mo si ate Madi, oh. Mukbang kung mukbang. Go, ate, go. Look at GM, oh. Wow.
Dumi. Let's go all the way. We're both.
Sige, bilis.
Ayoko na.
Oh, ayan na si daddy. Magbayad na ka kay daddy, oh. Wow.
First, second, third. 5, 10, and 20.
Sige, yung manalo, 20 pesos. Yung second, 10 pesos. Then, yung the last, 5 pesos.
That way they all get something.
Yeah. Okay. Madison, no? Ang tindi ng pangangailangan ni Madi, oh. Okay.
Just give birth.
Hindi po ang
Oh, sis, give birth to a baby.
Sid na nakain.
O, Adeline, ano? Baka 5 lang yan sa'yo. Bilis.
Baka limon lang kay JM.
Ako lang.
Ayoko na, pero kaya pa.
Kaya ka na. Kahit ang tumi tayo. Tumi.
Better quit talking. You need if you want to win.
Yeah. If you want 20 pesos, go. Look at ate, oh. She almost done. Wow.
Ma'am, me and Ate Madi naman get what we pick. We can pick.
No, you can't
Lakan
pick.
na yung akin eh.
He said he can pick what he wants to pick there.
And them also.
No.
Malisay.
No. It's challenge. Aba, Adeline. It's challenge.
Ginawa ko pa yung kaya ko, yung ano ko yung power ko.
Power.
Ano power?
Electric power daw.
Electric power ba yan?
I broke the watermelon.
Power yan?
Hurry up, baby.
I'm just taking out the seeds.
Spit the seeds out.
Hindi mo kaya kung nga nakati ka.
O kaya ko. Kaya.
Sabi si Ate Madi, oh. Ang galing ni Ate Madi.
Watermelon seeds won't hurt you anyways.
Yeah.
I just want to take them out. Oh, this is really cold. It's freezing.
I bet.
It's good if it's cold.
Yeah, di ba?
Sige.
The only one that's not talking. She's winning.
5
Yeah.
pesos ata sa akin neto.
How about 10 pesos?
Ngamos.
Agoy, may baon na si Ate Madi bukas, oh.
Excited yan sa premyo.
Oh,
Dapat kung sino mahuli 5 pesos ang
Daldal nyo kasi dalawa ni, Adeline, GM.
I'm making juice. We're just taking all the seeds. Just fry. Just fry. Meron ako. Meron kakayanin ko. Juice ko po.
Diyos ko po.
Ayan na doon. Nakamataw doon na yan.
hindi ko na kaya, pero kaya pa.
Oh, ako 10 pesos. Siya may 5.
Basta ako.
At ako
Sige na, okay, it's
We're both
okay.
wet.
Umayos ka na, Adeline. O, tingnan mo si Ate Madi, o. Winner na si Ate Madi.
20 pesos.
Ate Madi,
Thank you,
win.
Lord.
O, sige, kayo naman dalawa. Okay, go JM, go Ada. Put in the middle, baby.
Ah! Kinakain ko tapos dinudura ko na.
Aba, hindi pwede yan. Galing ng big
This one
boy.
is yours. Brand new coin. What's wrong? Getting a freeze headache?
My
That's
hands.
good.
My-
What?
Hands cold.
I bet.
Hindi ko kaya ang mig.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That way you don't get your coin all wet.
Dad, look at me, Adeline.
Yeah.
We're both so messy. It's fine.
What?
It's not to get messy while eating watermelon.
It's okay.
Who's the 5-1? Si Adeline. Yan. Adeline, you sure?
Ano?
Busog na ako nun eh.
Sobrang cold ba nung watermelon? Ano ba yun, Ada?
Bawal! Wala, cheating.
5 pesos na sa akin, okay yan.
Go na,
Me
baby.
10.
Okay. O, enough na yan, big boy. The other one naman.
Mommy. Wow, I think that's very easy.
Yeah, that's good.
Ang lamig! Masobra! Masobra ako!
It's okay. You can wash up when you're done. Jeez.
I will take a shower.
No.
You can rinse your arms and face off in the sink. Just rinse really well. So
Ano
the
ba?
hands
Si
don't
Adeline
be-
ba naman kasi tataas-taas pa ng kamay eh. Nabasa tuloy ako. Ito, may mancha.
It's okay. Matatanggal yan. Itsura ng GM mo. Mamang mama. Hurry up, baby.
Ano yung mama?
Yung ano na, yung big boy na.
Ako yung 10 pesos!
Okay.
Why don't want this?
Oh.
Oh,
Huwag ka magpag-adalain.
Gusto ko eh. Sa buhok ko, gusto na.
Ayoko
Grabe
na.
na, naging
Look at
buling
this juice.
Go guys.
Naging juice na kay JM.
Tapos doon ka, Madi, magsalita ka na kung sinong panalo.
Okay. The winner is... Ganun?
Doon ka na.
Tan! Sino kaya? Sino kaya? Sino?
Doon ka na.
Mayroon akong isang na ano, tapos.
O, sino nang panalo? Upo ka, ate. Para makita ka.
Ma, I don't want to eat this.
You have to, or you don't get nothing. You need to finish.
Yeah.
Look at me, just...
You're doing good.
Go,
You're
guys.
almost done.
Yeah.
Uy! Si Adeline, ang takaw eh. Bilis mo dalay.
Nakasang.
Huwag kasi salita na salita.
The speak.
Ayun, parang gagaling tataas yung kamay ko. Sino winner?
Okay.
Go for Adeline.
Adalan kasi, oh, yung yan, dinuduraan niya.
That's the fastest I've ever seen her eat.
Me?
Adeline.
Oh. Actually,
Okay. Oh, win na yan. Oh, enough na. Okay, enough.
who's the winner? Adeline? No.
Enough na. Natuling na si Jay.
Quit laughing. You're gonna make him choke. His mouth is full.
Don't laugh. Okay, swallow na. Okay. Okay, enough na. Oh,
Basta ako. Sino winner? Who's the winner?
pareho silang dalawa. Tag 5 pesos.
Ako 10 pesos. No.
Okay, sige na, bye-bye na.
Both of you
Ay, dali na, sabihin nyo na ano kung sino panalo.
Gusto both of you.
Oh, wait lang, baby. O, dali na, magpaalam na kayo. Guys, sobrang busog na. Sabihin mo. Tagalog.
Bye.
GM. Okay, say Tagalog.
Sobrang nabusog na tayo.
O, tapos, say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Basa na tayo.
Ayoko na
Thank you
po.
for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Ay, baby, say.
Thanks
Bili-
for watching.
Bili kayo watermelon.
Oo, yung mukbang at challenge.
Mukbang a challenge. O, bye-bye.
Bye.